niggas mud.
Get over to the right.
Or a nigga shit, tell him get that shit in blood. Or a nigga shit, tell him get that shit in blood. Or a nigga shit, tell him get that shit in blood. I run off with my plug, but we do this shit in love.
He has a lot of B-dubs and stuff. There it is. This is more promising. This is more promising. I'm gonna use my my PASSAT lingo to get this guy. What is going on, guys? Stan Style back at again with another YouTube video. Today we got a video. As you guys saw from the title of the video, I'm getting a new car. This is very this was not expected. Basically, it'd be nice to keep the miles off of this. I want to keep this thing for towing. And I'd like to have like a beater per se. So the background is like completely different. I've never been here before, but so we got you see this Passat. You guys have never seen this Passat before, but this blue one, you guys have definitely seen that one. That was at Low Show. But I'm with my boy Matt right now, and well, Passat. I might be getting a Passat, so I'll just reveal that right now. I'm looking at a Passat. We're about to drive about, how far is that first guy's address? We're about to drive an hour and 20 out from here. I already drove 2 hours to get here, so we're going into New York. This is the same generation, but this is the facelift version. So this is a B5.5. This one is his baby. This is his show one. Bagged, paint matched, everything, chrome trim. He's got a whole trunk set up. Recently picked up this daily, and this is like the cleanest stock example of a B5.5. This is very similar to what I want, and we're gonna go check that out, but mine is a B5, so it's the pre-facelift, same motor he's coming with. For one, he knows these cars in and out, so he's gonna be able to look at this thing, tell me if it's good. We think it's good. It's got low miles, all that, but we'll get into that once we get there. We have another hour and a half to drive, so show off these things again right here. Carbon fiber wheel. You said suede. This is already done.
It's all suede.
Damn, headliner too?
Yeah, headliner too.
Jeez.
And then the seats are actually out of that car. So I
did
seat
you
swap
swapped the seats because these ones are
yeah. Put them in the show car.
But yeah, this thing's sick, dude. Wait, show off the trunk. Ooh. Whoa, that is sick. Is that your air vent?
My cousin 3D printed.
3D printed. That is sick, yo, guys. Check that out. The mic. It's an air vent, but it's got a 3D printed V-dub logo. Let me see the trunk setup. Let me see the trunk setup. Oh yeah. Big V-dub logo. All this trim is color matched, which is like, it makes it look so much better. And the whole entire bottom portion is also color matched, which is my favorite thing about this car. I love when people doing color matching, and I hate different colored trims. Like as you can see on this one, it's got that gray and stuff. That's probably gonna be the first thing I wanna do to mine, is just color match it, because I think it looks so much better. But this is the engine bay, guys. He's got the intake.
The body kit is imported from Poland.
Really?
Yeah.
The lips and stuff, or the skirts?
Yeah.
All right, now we're gonna get into it. We got an hour and 20 minutes to drive. Let's get it. I will pick up the camera when we get closer. All right, guys, I don't know if you can see me right now. Oh, whoa, as we almost get in a traffic accident here in New York City. Put the camera to the right. It's New York City over there. Currently, we're going over some bridge right now. Don't know what bridge this is, but we are going to, there's two Passats actually, both in Queens. The first one is actually the one that we were looking at originally. He finally gave us an address, so we're gonna go check that one out first. If that one's good, we're probably just gonna walk away with that one. But in case that one's not good, I have another one that is a little bit farther into Queens that we will also go look for. They're both like pretty much the same spec. One of them's just the GLS, the other one's the GLX. But I'm looking, we'll see how it ends up. We'll see what one we end up with, but I just wanted to pick up the camera and show off New York under the bridge and stuff. But yeah, we're still on our way. We're about hour 40. We got about 40 minutes until we're there, guys. So I will see you guys in 40 minutes.
A lot of fast cars, how the fuck is you gonna run? Throw a chopper bullet at your tongue. Pull up with a 30 clip, I don't really need no drum. You can't get in the back, only use that for gun. All
right, guys, we are pulling up to the address that we were given. It's like a baseball park. Some stuff. I don't know if we're gonna see a car. The parking lot's tiny. This guy give us the wrong address? No, this make no sense. Cause what am I gonna do? Look, what am I gonna do? Drive over there? This Noah guy, man.
I don't like him.
There's no Passat in this parking lot either. All right, guys. Well, now we're just gonna wait for this gentleman here. We got another Passat right there. That one's got spacers on it, or it's got wheels on it, or something. It was poking.
The wheels are poking. Oh, they're Malroys off of a GLI.
Ah. With spacers, probably, right?
With spacers.
I was gonna say, cause yeah, they. Alright, guys, we're gonna go check it out.
And some bad bitches still don't pay for none. Bitch can't get a bike, let alone a piece of gun. Big SRT truck, it got room in it jump. 8 rooms in my house, bitch can't.
That thing needs a fucking clutch.
Yeah, I mean,
that thing needs a lot of work. I think I like the other one better.
I know.
Yeah.
The vibe I got, I mean, like, it's kind of clapped.
It's kind of clapped. Did you hear me kept saying the clutch?
No, I know.
Yeah.
Well, then when I'm sitting in the bitch and we're, guys, I didn't record anything in there because it's a little bit less than what I thought it was gonna be. Like, this thing has 98,000 miles. I thought this was gonna be like low key mint. Like, we're in the car and I'm sitting in the passenger seat. And I'm fucking, I know this guy knows how to drive stick. Like, I don't know what's wrong. I don't know. There's another one and it's 40 minutes away. I think the way we should do is I think we should tell him that we're gonna go check that one out and then we'll let him know because we have to drive through here anyways. So
if I should say anything, he's telling me that the clutch biting all the way at the top is normal, and when I mean all the way at the top, I mean you start here, then it bites, then that's the end. It's like that.
And he did admit to never doing the clutch.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're probably gonna tell him that we're gonna go check it out. I don't feel bad at all because he was already late to be here and he's only like 5 minutes away. So we're gonna go check out this other one. It's only 40 minutes. I'm already out here. Might as well go do it. And yeah, it's I didn't really record much of it, guys, but it's a lot worse than
the pictures.
Yeah, the pictures. You would think 98,000. It's a New York car. It's a New York City car. So I mean, it's got its dings and stuff. But yeah, we're probably gonna go check out that other one. But yeah, I'll keep the camera rolling.
Nah, here, let's just say I keep owning it. I would definitely do it.
Why are you getting rid of it? Yeah. Ice cream. Yeah.
But also, like, if this one's really trash, like, that one's not bad. It just needs a clutch.
Yeah. All right, guys. So about 20 minutes out, and he texts me. The windows don't work. So now we got windows that don't work on this one that we're coming to look at. Look at that Accord. Wow. But yeah, we're still gonna go look at it. But yeah, we can't win. We got no windows now, so.
This has been tons of fun. This is Matt, the Passat guy.
All right, guys, so we are pulling up. This guy, we looked at his Facebook. He has a lot of V-dubs and stuff. There it is. He's got Corrado there too and a Touareg. So this is more promising. 50, 52 wheels. Ooh, a little Rabbit. Oh, the truck actually.
Oh, Rabbit truck.
That's cool. And I'm gonna keep this camera low key because I don't like filming people because I don't want them to like. I just want to get the car for a good price. So I'm just gonna like hold it down and then I'm not gonna be talking to you guys, but the camera is still gonna be like on. So we'll get into it.
I'm gonna use my my Passat lingo to get this guy down. I will get him down right now. No windows? Come on, man.
Oh man, I need to put my windows down, bro. But all right. What's up, bro?
I wouldn't have guessed actually.
Yeah, bro, I had to bring the Passat Master here. And this guy knows them all. So.
I have 2 of them.
Not afford to maintain it.
Got a little clear coat.
Oh yeah. No, the paint's not good.
Yeah, no, it's a.
Yeah, let's see. How do you feel about this one?
I like it a lot better.
Yeah, me too. A little bit of stuff like that, but compared to the other one, this one's bent to fuck though. Tommy, I need you on that one, damn.
Original window sticker.
Oh wow.
Oh, that's awesome. Oh,
That's so sick, dude. Alright, this one's so much better. I mean, the paint is rocked. Okay.
yeah, the paint is rocked, guys. You guys saw it. I showed you guys the rust at the top. See how it drives, though.
Look at that. Clutch bite's nice.
Yeah, see.
Just goes.
Yeah, okay, so this is a much different experience than last time. I was like, at first I'm like, in the other one I'm like, ugh. Is there no radio?
No, there is.
So how do you play music in something like this?
Dude, this cassette. I gotta connect to this cassette.
You connect to the cassette?
Yeah, bro. I have this in my Passats too.
What the hell?
Yeah.
We got Wonder Bum Black Ice. Smelling good in here. It hits potholes nice. It hits potholes nice. That was pretty nice. Alright, so how do you feel about this one driving?
Dude, it feels much better. It actually had a really nice pull just now.
Yeah, I wish I was recording, but it does drive way better. It feels way nicer than the other one. It smells pretty good in here. The AC.
It's a little lackluster. I'm gonna actually talk to him about that.
Yeah, because this is gonna be the daily. The daily for the daily. But yeah, this headliner, guys, this is like also shot. So I'm gonna do this very soon if I end up getting this car. We gotta go charge the damn AC. First thing I gotta do is go sand this whole thing down. I'm making this thing brand new.
You're gonna do the body work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got the title on the boat, so.
Okay.
Yo, can I go check out these other cars, bro?
Yeah. Yes.
What is back here?
This yellow one is gorgeous. I love this color. Oh my god. This is sick. Got some sick stuff in here though. Rabbit, minty rabbit, Karada, Miata with a nog tag. I love the nog tag. This is fire, dude. What the hell? Sheesh.
I want this. It somehow holds air. Don't ask me how.
Oh, is it cracked this shit? Yeah, you can keep that one.
Okay. Yeah, I have 3 others.
Holy shit.
I'm so happy for him, bro.
Yes, bro.
I have another member of the PASSAT community.
Yes. Just gonna move the Q7 over there to put these wheels in the back. And then we're gonna put this plate on it too so we can drive it. All right guys, so we just got everything settled. We got the Q7 here loaded up with all the wheels. We got Matt there driving it home. She looks good. Might try to get some rollers on the way home, but currently I have plans tonight, so this had to be a little quick. So I think we're gonna actually leave the car at his house for tonight, and I'm gonna go pick it up tomorrow and bring it back home to my place. But once we, you might see some B-roll roller clips here coming up, but then otherwise I'll get to you guys. We'll do a final little talk about it at his actual house. We'll see you guys then.
More than one. I got 5 wheels roll and I ain't passing one. If I sign to a label, I get 4 million plus. I got 200 on my dash, remember I was on the bus. We gon' kill everybody if you touch one of us. Yeah, double even triple us.
Oh.
Kill one of us. I just have to walk.
Oh, that's hard.
Piss up, I send a slug. Chop it, knock off niggas mud. I don't owe a nigga shit, tell him get that shit in blood. I run off on my plug, but we good, he showing love. Jet, I got some new AR, just for niggas being tough. He got hit and he fell, he thought he was about to run. I just bought like 80 pints, I could've went to go to sun.
All right guys, we are back. We're going to, like I said previously, the car is currently in Jersey still. It's at Matt's house, so we're about to go pull up and get it home. It's gonna be parked right there in front of the Q7. Might move the Q7 back a little bit too. I probably will have to. So it's coming home, guys. All right guys, next day, made it back. Here she is. I'm gonna use this as a little bit of time to actually talk about the car. I feel like I've kind of just been rushing around. This video has been mad rushed because I've been honestly trying to get this car. I just really wanted a daily. So this thing is going to be able to be put away. I'm gonna do gotta do a transmission on it. So yeah, that's also another reason. Got this. Well, me and Kyle have to pull the trans because I damn well know I can't do that by myself. So pull the trans, and that'll be a whole another video for a whole another day. But this is my now 1999 Volkswagen Passat GLS. So yeah, I don't know too much about these. Honestly, this was on a whim. I just wanted an old Volkswagen, and I didn't want to mark for a Jetta. I didn't want to mark for a Golf or anything like that. I wanted something different, and the Passat actually has the V6 in it. Very similar to that motor, just without the supercharger. I think it's a 2.8 liter. But yeah, it's got a V6 in it. Obviously, it's got some sun damage, stuff like that. That's all gonna get replaced. I'm going to take a lot of time and almost kind of make it like a budget build. So as you can see, this wheel is cooked. So Tommy, I got something for you. We're gonna fix this wheel. But yeah, I got these wheels on. These are actually 1552s. They are a little wide. The rear is actually not bad, but the front does poke a little bit. I'm hoping with if I end up getting coilovers, it'll kind of tuck the wheel in a little bit. But either way, I like these wheels. So it is a 5-speed manual. Check it out, guys. 5-speed. Gonna learn on this thing. It's gonna be the car to learn on. Nothing really that cool about under the hood. I mean, I'll show you guys. I did think this was pretty cool. It actually has, so got this little thingy right here that I learned that you gotta pull out. Hold on, let me put the camera down. It actually has a hood strut for $19.99. I thought that was really freaking sick. So yeah, actually this little thingy, just kind of like that. Really weird. I feel like it'll eventually break or something. But yeah, motor runs great. Just needs a secondary air or some shit like that. I guess this little pump down there, all it does is heat up the catalytic converters, and that's what's throwing the check engine light. A little bit of rust under the hood, but nothing that I can't clean up. But yeah guys, that is my 1999 Volkswagen Passat. It is the new whip on the channel. It's gonna be used as a partially, maybe mainly a daily, but also a little bit of a budget build. It's gonna be sick, gonna get me from point A to point B, but all this really is for is to have big plans for this thing. So this thing is gonna, once I finish the TT, finish the tilt, this is on the main want to get this thing perfect. So I don't know, we'll see what I get cooking up for this, but otherwise guys, I'm gonna end off this video here. I appreciate you guys watching. Not sure how long this one is, but yeah, here she is guys. I will see you in the next freaking banger. Later.